In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Meet app. If you're looking to seamlessly connect with others virtually, this tutorial will guide you through the process of installing, using, and scheduling meetings on Google Meet, all within just 5 minutes. To get started, you first need to install the Google Meet app on your device. You can easily do this by opening your preferred browser and typing meetgoogle.com into the address bar. This will take you directly to the Google Meet homepage. Once there, look for a small PC icon featuring a down arrow, typically found on the right-hand side of the screen. Click on this icon to initiate the installation process. During installation, you'll be prompted to decide whether you'd like to pin Google Meet to your taskbar. For ease of access, I recommend choosing Yes. Having the app conveniently located on your taskbar allows you to open it quickly whenever you need to connect with friends, family, or colleagues. Once the installation is complete, you can dive right into creating your very first meeting. So, open the Google Meet app. As you navigate through, look for a movie camera icon located at the bottom right corner of the interface. Give it a tap, then select the option labeled Create Link. This will generate a meeting link which you can then copy to your clipboard. This link can be effortlessly shared with others either by email or text message, allowing them to join your meeting with one simple click. If you're joining an existing meeting instead, open the Google Meet app again. This time direct your attention to the search bar. This is where you'll input the meeting code or nickname provided by your host. After entering the code, simply tap Join and you'll be connected to the meeting environment. Now let's explore how to schedule a future meeting. Launch the Google Meet app once more and tap on the movie camera icon again that's positioned at the bottom right. This time select the schedule option represented by a calendar icon. You'll be able to edit various meeting details to tailor your meeting precisely to your needs. For instance, you can adjust the meeting title, set the time and date, and populate your guest list with the intended participants. Once you have reviewed and made all necessary adjustments, tap Save located at the top right corner of the screen to finalize the scheduling. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on using the Google Meet app. Whether you're setting up a spontaneous meeting, joining an existing one, or planning ahead with a scheduled meeting, these steps will help you connect effortlessly and efficiently with others online. Thanks for watching, and happy conferencing.